Ever wondered how some people seem to have the magic touch when it comes to online income? Welcome to a world where the ordinary becomes extraordinary, where the mundane turns into the miraculous. What if I told you that the secret to this transformation lies in a hidden algorithm? Yes, an algorithm, but not just any algorithm, it's a secret one, shrouded in mystery and brimming with potential. So what is this secret algorithm? It might sound like something out of a spy thriller, but it's real. It's a unique set of rules, a magic formula, if you will, that's been silently shaping the world of online income. But here's the twist. It's not exclusive to the tech wizards or the digital gurus. Ordinary people, just like you and me, are manipulating this secret algorithm for extraordinary results. They're using it to unlock an unprecedented level of online revenue, to create a source of income that is not just perpetual, but also incredibly rewarding. Now you might be thinking, how is that even possible? Well, that's the beauty of it. The secret algorithm is not about complexity, it's about accessibility. It's about using what's already there in a way that's never been done before. And the best part? You don't need a degree in computer science to master it. See the link in the description below the video. It's like finding a hidden treasure map that leads to a chest filled with gold. Only this time the treasure is a stream of online income that keeps flowing, regardless of the economic climate. The map? It's the secret algorithm, waiting to be explored and exploited. And here's the most exciting part. This is just the beginning. The secret algorithm is like a vast ocean, and we've only just touched the surface. There's so much more to it, so many more secrets to be unveiled, so many more treasures to be discovered. So are you ready to dive in and uncover these secrets? Are you ready to manipulate the secret algorithm and transform your online income? Stick around as we explore this secret algorithm that's changing the game for online income. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from ordinary folks who've turned their fortunes around. Let's start with Jane, a single mother from Ohio. She was skeptical at first, but she gave the Perpetual Income 365 new version 3.2 a shot. Now, she's not just making ends meet, but she's thriving. She says, "I've been able to provide for my children in ways I never thought possible. This secret algorithm has changed our lives." Then there's Martin, a retired schoolteacher from Texas. He was looking for a way to supplement his pension, and this secret algorithm gave him just that. He shares, "I was worried about my financial future, but now, I'm not only surviving, I'm enjoying my retirement to the fullest." Next, meet Anna, a young professional from California. Always on the lookout for savvy investments, she stumbled upon the Perpetual Income 365 new version 3.2. Her success story is inspiring. She says, "I was able to pay off my student debts and even purchase my dream home. I'm living proof that this secret algorithm works." And it's not just individuals. Small businesses have also seen the power of this secret algorithm. Take, for instance, a local bakery in New York. They were on the brink of closing down, but after using the Perpetual Income 365 new version 3.2, they're now a thriving business with an ever-growing customer base. The owner shares, "We were about to close shop, but this secret algorithm saved us. It's been a game changer." We've heard from people from all walks of life, from every corner of the country. Single parents, retirees, young professionals, and small business owners alike have all seen their fortunes turn around. They've all tapped into the power of the secret algorithm. Impressive, isn't it? But how does it all work? Let's delve deeper. Ready to lift the veil on this secret algorithm? Brace yourself, because what you're about to discover may just change your perspective on online shopping. In the simplest of terms, this algorithm is like a hidden language of the internet. It's a set of rules that determines which products appear in your online searches, and in what order. It's what makes some items pop up on your screen while others remain tucked away in the digital shadows. Imagine walking into a store where every product is placed exactly where you'd think to look for it. That's what this algorithm does in the virtual world. It anticipates your needs, your wants, and your preferences, and curates an online shopping experience tailored just for you. But here's where things get really interesting. This isn't some high-tech, inaccessible tool reserved for the tech elites. No, this secret algorithm is something that anyone can manipulate, with the right knowledge, of course. Just think about it for a moment. This is a tool that has the power to shape your online shopping experience. It decides what you see, what you don't see, and how you see it. And with a little know-how, you can start pulling the strings. The key lies in understanding the patterns. Like any language, this algorithm has its own grammar and syntax. Learn these, and you'll be speaking its language in no time. But don't be fooled into thinking this is a static, unchanging set of rules. This algorithm is constantly evolving, learning from every click, every search, and every purchase. It's a living, breathing entity that never stops improving. So you see, there's a whole hidden world beneath the surface of your online shopping experience. A world that holds the power to shape your virtual journey. A world that, with a little bit of knowledge and a sprinkle of savvy, you can control. But wait, there's more to this secret algorithm than meets the eye. Introducing Perpetual Income 365 New Version 3.2, your ticket to mastering the secret algorithm. This isn't just another product, it's a game changer, a revolution in the world of online income generation. Perpetual Income 365 version 3.2 is a meticulously crafted tool designed to help you tap into the secret algorithm that's been the cornerstone of successful online income generation. With its user-friendly interface, you don't need to be a tech whiz to navigate your way around. It's as easy as pie. This new version isn't just about income generation, it's about perpetual income. Think about it. Instead of chasing after one-time sales, you could be making money round the clock, 365 days a year. It's like having your very own money-making machine, tirelessly working for you day in and day out. But what sets Perpetual Income 365 version 3.2 apart from the rest? Its cutting-edge features. It has been designed to help you manipulate the secret algorithm like never before. With its automated system, it does the heavy lifting for you. No more late nights or early mornings spent trying to figure out the algorithm. It does it all for you, leaving you with more time to enjoy the fruits of your success. And the benefits don't stop there. With Perpetual Income 365 version 3.2, you get to be your own boss, work at your own pace, and call the shots. It gives you the freedom to live life on your own terms. No more 9-to-5 grind. It's time to say hello to financial freedom and goodbye to financial worries. Perpetual Income 365 version 3.2 isn't just a product, it's a lifestyle choice. A choice to take control of your financial future and live the life you've always dreamed of. Intrigued? There's even more to Perpetual Income 365 than you might think. So, you've heard the testimonials, understood the secret algorithm, and discovered the power of Perpetual Income 365 New Version 3.2. What's next? Let's take a moment to revisit what we've uncovered so far. We began by unveiling the secret algorithm, that elusive formula that's been manipulated by ordinary folks to achieve extraordinary results. It's not magic, nor is it mere luck. It's a well-crafted system, a blueprint to success that's been hidden in plain sight. We then heard from real people just like you and me, who've tasted success by leveraging this algorithm. Their stories are not just inspiring, they are proof that success is attainable. They've unlocked a new world of possibilities, and so can you. We also took a deep dive into the secret algorithm itself, exploring its intricacies and understanding its workings. It's a unique blend of science and strategy, a potent mix that propels its manipulators towards their goals. And then, we introduced you to the Perpetual Income 365 New Version 3.2. This is not just another product, it's a tool, a key that unlocks the door to online success. It's designed to help you manipulate the secret algorithm, to put its power at your fingertips. But remember, knowledge is power only when it's applied. It's time to take the next step. It's time to put this knowledge into action. It's time to harness the power of Perpetual Income 365 New Version 3.2 and begin your journey towards online success. This journey will not be without its challenges, but with the secret algorithm on your side and Perpetual Income 365 New Version 3.2 as your guide, you have the tools you need to overcome any obstacles that stand in your way. The link to Perpetual Income 365 New Version 3.2 is in the description below. Go check it out and start your journey to online success today.